Wheel balancing is an important maintenance procedure for your vehicle's wheels and tires. Here are some of the benefits of wheel balancing. Improves handling and steering. Wheel balancing ensures that all four wheels are spinning evenly, which improves the vehicle's handling and steering. This means that your car will be easier to control and maneuver, especially at high speeds. Reduces tire wear. When your wheels are out of balance, it causes uneven wear on your tires. This means that some parts of the tire wear out faster than others, which reduces the overall lifespan of the tire. Wheel balancing helps to ensure that your tires wear evenly, which can save you money in the long run. Improves fuel efficiency. Unbalanced wheels can cause your vehicle to work harder, which can lead to decreased fuel efficiency. When your wheels are properly balanced, your car will operate more efficiently, which can help you save money on gas. Reduces vibrations. Unbalanced wheels can cause your vehicle to vibrate or shake while driving, which can be both uncomfortable and unsafe. By balancing your wheels, you can reduce these vibrations, which can lead to a smoother, more comfortable ride. Overall, wheel balancing is an important part of vehicle maintenance that can help improve handling, increase tire life, improve fuel efficiency, and provide a smoother ride.